So we're going to be doing a high ponytail with some smoothing out here, and to get a nice little bump up here, we're going to bring in our Big Sexy Power Play Light to give her a foundation up here to smooth over the top of the ponytail. And now you don't have to get too far away. In fact, you want to bring it right in here and kind of do a little shake to bring it down. Like that. We're going to do a little back combing. And we're going to go through and smooth out these pieces up here to bring back our high ponytail. We have smoothed that out, and we have built a little built-in ponytail down here. We are going to bring in our Invisibobble.
This look is actually called an Untamed pony, and what the reason it's called that is it's really kind of a high up, kind of messy textured ponytail, which is really on trend now. And one of the things that we did was we built a support ponytail at the base, and now Tosha's gonna pull up all the rest of the hair and overlay it around the support ponytail. The purpose of the support ponytail is to give that high lift. So what we're doing is we're gonna create the support, and by pushing that high ponytail, it shoves that forward. And then we're gonna cover that ponytail all the way, and then we're gonna put some texture spray in it to make it untamed. And the texture spray that we're going to use is called Surf Rider. So it gives great texture and still leaving the pony in control, but a little bit of untamed.
We are taking this Invisibobble, which grabs the hair very nicely, and it's very easy to use. Does that feel nice and snug?
It does feel snug.
So you know, before Tosha combs in the top, one of the things I want you to notice is how strong a support that now has, and has that little bit of lift curve. That's what gives it an on-trend look.
So we're gonna bring our base that we had built up. We're gonna smooth over our sections. I'm sectioning it to wrap the hair around that Invisibobble.
That'll really give additional support to help that pony stay high and lift away from the back of the head.
And then go in the opposite direction just to give it some movement and texture.
Surf Rider. Kind of break it apart. Don't you love the support of how it lifts away from the head and it looks nice and full? Very pretty. And there's your Untamed pony.